Looking to enhance your students' learning experience? Meet our 24/7 AI Study Companion. Provide students with reliable support by connecting course materials to AI mentor chatbots for instant, accurate answers. Enable students to test their knowledge and prepare for exams with quizzes generated from their course materials. Facilitate effective study sessions with customized flashcards created from lectures and notes to enhance memory retention. Support academic writing with our AI text editor, offering text suggestions, revisions, auto-completion, and rewriting, or use it to demonstrate the potential and limits of AI to your students. Make complex concepts more accessible with mind maps generated in seconds, aiding in comprehension and explanation. Help students practice speaking skills, simulate oral exams, and learn new languages with our real-time interactive AI vocal assistant. And with the instructor supervision features, you are in control. Teachers can monitor how their students use the platform and control the data sources. For complete data protection, AikiGenIA supports private AI models integrated into your institution's infrastructure to be used with an AikiGenIA platform dedicated to your organization. Enhance your institution's learning experience. Click the link below to book a demo and discover how AikiGenIA can benefit your school or university.